Good morning, friends. I am so excited for the 100th day of school. Today, for your morning work, you're going to do a 100th day mystery picture. Now, we're going to remember the first thing we do is always the same. Look at the top and write your name. Put my name at the top. Okay, and then if you look down here, we have some color words and then numbers next to them. So let's look at this first color word. We have B-L-U-E. So I'm going to remember, hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? So I'm going to go like this over the blue so that I remember all of these numbers are going to be blue. Now the next one I have is B-L-A-C-K spells black. B-L-A-C-K spells black. Okay, so all of these numbers are going to be black. And then my last one is Y-E-L-L-O-W, Y-E-L-L-O-W. So I know these numbers down here at the bottom are going to be yellow. So now let's look at a couple together. I'm going to look at the color blue first. I see that I need to color 1 and 2 blue. So I colored 1 and 2. And if you want, you can do this after you color over them to help you keep track. And then 9 and 10 also need to be blue. So I'm going to color 9 and 10 blue. So I'm going to color 9, 10. Then I'm going to look. 11 needs to be blue. And 20. All right, my friends. So you're going to do the rest on your own. Look at the color. And then look at the numbers next to it. And then you can keep track like we did together. And you're going to unveil your mystery picture. All right, I am so excited to see you dressed like you are 100 years old. I will see you in just a little bit.